Hi guys, glad to see you again. And today I want to try to solve one of the craziest problem which was showed up shown up on Olimpiad in Moscow in 1936. It's so what does it say? Uh, if you take any you find the natural number which if you square it you will get the four digits number to first and second equal between each other and third and fourth is equal between each other. For example, you take a number, I don't know, any number, and you square it, for example, and you get, for example, 3344, so 3344. So let us start solving this problem. So what we need to be careful that here is not multiplication between them. That's why let us rewrite this number as multiplication, as yes, and what we will have a 1000 plus 800 plus b10 plus b is equal x squared. 8000 plus we can now group by grouping it. What we are going to achieve from this bracket we can take out a, and from this bracket we can take out b out of the bracket. So a, we will left with 1000 plus 100 and plus to take out b from the bracket 10 plus 1. Next, what we can do here is 1000 plus 100, it is 1100 plus b 11, b times 11. So what is different between this number and I imagine in other ways is here we can see plus multiplication, which is more suitable for us to see, and here we can, it's not understandable exactly. So what is the next? What we can do here is we can take out 11 from the bracket. So we can group it, and we take out 11 out of the brackets, and we will have 11 a times 100 plus b times 1. Okay, we will left by 1 because we took out 11 from the bracket. And what we have here is 11 times 100 plus b. And this is simple. We have what is interesting here, it means that x squared we can divide by, it's divisible by 11. We can factor x squared, and inside of factorization we will have 11, and not only one time because here is squared. So x squared should be divisible by 11 two times. So x squared I can rewrite as for example c squared times 11 squared. So c is the number from 2 to 8, right, or 9. No, because 9 we will have 99, 99, no, we have 5 digit number. If we 99 we square, we will have 5 digit number, so it's from 2 to 8 was the maximum. Next step, what we can see, can you see here, we have 0. What does it mean? I will explain. So 11 we can write as 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 times a 100b, and this one is a 1000b10 plus, and I use here distributive law, yes, 1 times a 100b is a 100b. So if I plus it, how I plus it? A 1000b10 plus a 100b. It's b plus b plus 0, b, 0 plus a. So can you see magic here? 0 is magic here. So in the middle here, we need to get 0. And when do we get it? 0 here. So let us first come back to all this exercise. Next step, see, we can divide by 11. So 11 we move here. Here's multiplication, will go as division. So a 100b is equal c squared, and we divide 11 squared by 11, we'll have only 11. So, but a 100b, this number also divisible by 11, because this one, you factorize it as, but they are equal, so it also should be able to be factorized by 11. So we can divide by 11 both sides. So let us divide a 100b by 11. What happens? So by a we can't take. We can take only by a minus 1. So I will explain now. For example, we have 40. If you 40 divide by 11, you can't take by 4, because it will be 44, but you can take by 3. 3 is 1 digit less than 4. So here is the same. I can't take by a, but I can take by a minus 1. A is some digit, right? So a minus 1, I write 11 times a minus 1. So when I minus this, I should be left with remainder b. Yes, why it's so? Because to be divisible 11, so it is the last step. To be some number to be divisible by 11, it should be repeated, like they need to be the same. So b. So that's why when this number you minus this, we need to be left with b, right? And so we take by b. So I take by granted that c a minus 1 times b should be equal c squared. And so let us come back with 0, with a 100b. Yes, in the middle we have 0. What does it 0 mean? So we understood that we can factorize it. Yes. So for example, we have 44 times 44. Right? 44 times 44. What we do? 4 times 4 is 6. Next step, what happens? 44 times 4. It is 16. And 1 we kept in our mind, it is 7. What actually happens? So the multiplication. Yes, when you multiply 4 times 4 and it's 16, and next it's like 16. So you actually, what you do, 4 times 4 it's 16. What you actually do in the middle, you 1 plus 6 it's 7. So to find how it's in the middle is here. You need to find such number when you a minus b, a minus 1 times b, it should be equal 10. Because here we have 0. Yes, in the multiplication we plus, so it should be 10. Yes, and here we have the number from 2 to 8, which is squared. Yes, let us, for example, check 3 squared. It is 3 squared. It's 9. Well, we don't need that. It's a one-digit number. 4 squared. Oh, it's better. 16. 1 plus 6, it's 7. It's not 10. 5 squared. 5 squared, it's 25. 2 plus 5, it's 7. Also not. So 6, 36. 3 plus 6, it is 9. Close, but not that. 7, 49. 4 plus 9 is 13. Also not. And our last chance, it's 8. 8 times 8 is equal 64. And 64, 6 plus 4, it is 10. So we got that number. It's 10. So here we have 64. So 64, it's if we 6 plus 4, it's 10. So here we have, instead of C, we have 8. Right? So instead, and also we have 11, right? So the last answer is, we had it, what? C squared. Or simply C times 11 all squared. So C is 8. It's 88. So 88. Right. So 60 or 6 times 8 times 8, 4. Then we repeat here 4, 4, and here we have C, A1, here we have 8, right? 6, 1, it's here 7, 7, it's, of course you can simply 88 multiplied by 88 and you will get 7,744. Thank you very much. I hope you understood.